Hey guys, it's Sound Control. So today we're gonna be making a shelter in the bush, and Overkill and I are gonna be spending a night out here sometime during the week, and he should be coming down shortly. He was held back at the house, and he should be right behind me. So yeah, basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to build a fire pit, we're going to make an A-frame, and we're going to make a shelter that's going to last a while. So it's going to be right behind me, and we're going to get started on that, and we'll see you guys from there and see how it goes. So yeah, there you guys have it. That's basically our camp, and that's where we'll be staying the night. You've seen the first vlog that I put up just yesterday, and today is what we've been doing, and then tomorrow I'll post the rest of this video. So yeah, basically that's all we did. We built our camp, we made a fire pit, we got our stuff going. Other than that, we haven't done very much. We did our fishing challenge, and tomorrow we're probably going to do a bow challenge. So stay tuned, guys. For sure subscribe if you haven't done it already. And thanks for watching. Sound Control signing out.